Awesome. Ian is going to read this for us as it was a request. It is simply just John Cleese's tirade from the Dead Parrot sketch.
Oh, wow. He's not banging, he's passed on! This pen is no more! He's ceased to be! He's expired and gone to be his maker! He's stiff, bereft of life, he ceased to be! Rest in peace if you're nailed into the birch-heap nation of the daisies! His metabolic processes are now history! He's off his twig! He's kicked his bucket, he's shuffled off his motor coil, run down the curtain and joined the bleeding choir invisible! He's bust and snuffed it off! This is an ex-duck!
I'm sorry, sir. Our refund policy clearly states